There you can see some rescue workers down at ground level beginning to sift through the wreckage and try and reach for some key clues as to what went on here. The French Interior Minister was the individual who revealed that the black box has been found, and as you'll be aware from our coverage throughout the last few hours, the words of President Hollande of France resonate here, that it's highly unlikely that there will be any survivors found, and certainly when you see that scene, I think that confirms that fear. 150 people on board. There you can see some rescue workers down at ground level beginning to sift through the wreckage and try and reach for some key clues as to what went on here. The French Interior Minister was the individual who revealed that the black box has been found, and as you'll be aware from our coverage throughout the last few hours, the words of President Hollande of France resonate here, that it's highly unlikely that there will be any survivors found, and certainly when you see that scene, I think that confirms that fear. 150 people on board